Question 10. So for part 1 you've just got to draw the three straight lines, 4x plus 3y equals 30, y equals 2x and x equals 1. Now as they're straight lines you just need to have a couple of points. So with this first one here, 4x plus 3y equals 30, think about when x is 0. When x is 0, y must be 10. 3 tens are 30, so 0, 10. Equally when y is 0, 4x equals 30, so x must be 7.5. So there's 2 points on the line. I've plotted those here, 7.5, 0 and 0, 10, and there's my red line. Similarly with y equaling 2x, two coordinates would include 0, 0 and 5, 10, because 2 lots of 5 equals 10, so 0, 0 and 5, 10. So that's my purple line. And then thirdly the line x equals 1. Be careful, you know, that's the vertical line there, okay, where all the x coordinates would be 1, you know, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5 and so on. So that's the start of part 1. You've now got to shade the regions that are not satisfied by the inequalities. So we're shading greater than 30, we're shading y being less than 2x and x being less than 1, so leaving us just with this triangle here. Now for part 2, find the maximum value of 7x plus 4y subject to these conditions. Well, by definition that's going to be one of these corner points of the triangle. So really what you need to do is just to find out these coordinates by solving the simultaneous equations. So this one here is where the green line equals the red line, purple equals the red line, and the green line equals the purple line. I mean, this one in a way is just for completeness, because there's no way that this small and this small x and small y value is going to maximize this. But anyway, for completeness I did it down here to get a total of 15, which is clearly smaller than the other two. Now let's have a look at this blue point here. This is where the purple line, y equals 2x, equals the red line, 4x plus 3y equals 30. So I've done that simultaneous equation over here, so I'm just substituting in for y equaling 2x into here. So 4x plus 3y equals 30. I'm solving 4x plus 3 lots of 2x equaling 30, giving me an x value of 3. Because y equals 2x, the y value must be 6. So at this blue coordinate here, we've got x being 3, y being 6. Now substituting 3 and 6 into the into this expression here, we get 45. So that blue cross there, we get a total of 45 when we do 7x plus 4y. Similarly with this black cross here, where the green line crosses the red line, I've substituted in x equaling 1 into 4x plus 3y equals 30, with x equaling 1. That gives me values of x being 1, y being 8 2/3. Substituting that into the 7x plus 4y, I get 41 2/3. Now clearly that's less than 45, so the maximum value of 7x plus 4y is 45.